Looking back, I need a couple. I need a couple in the corner. Right there in the corner. You right there. Come on. Look at you two. As soon as I saw you, come on, man. How are you? Nice to meet you, Paul and Monica. Hello, Monica. Now, to some people at home, they don't know what you're dressed as, so can you explain? Because I know.
Absolutely. We are Lockers. We are from the 1970s, early 70s. It was a dance called locking that was made up here in LA, and these were the kind of suits that were worn.
Don Campbell Lockers, Tony Basil back in the day, Shabba-Doo. Come on, man.
That's right. Don Campbell, the creator of locking. That's right.
Let's give him a little demonstration. Hey! And they do it as a couple. How long have you guys been dancing and being a couple together?
Well, we've been married since '88.
No, baby, 95.
That's when we got together.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Since '88. Wow. Well, congratulations, and still dancing, and I love that. I love that. So, right now, because you're a couple and you do everything together, we're going to give you an opportunity, actually, to do something apart. You're going to make individual deals in this. So, Paul, you make your deal, and you make your